Baby Peter. You have a mask on. Help in breathing. This is so annoying. Oh, he pulled it off.
Has he pulled it off?
Do you want feeding food there? There you go.
Oh, this is recording?
Yeah, you're recording this good.
I thought I was going to take a picture.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so
Look, you get pinker. You got pinker. Aww. Yeah, you hold. Stop asking me. Hold.
Which one?
His hand.
His hand.
Yeah, just say that. Get well soon.
And then you.
You look much pinker now.
Peter, want to hold my hand?
Yeah. Hold his hand. Hold his hand.
Do you want to get that?